Hey, Mailbag 58-ish. I've decided to upgrade my function generator. Isn't this a beauty? And I only spent $600+ Canadian on it. Oh wait, no, not this one. That box. This is going to take a tiny bit of time to open it up, and I'll lay everything down on the bench. But it's a significant improvement over this one here, which I've had for a very long time. And if you tap it gently, it works. And a box within a box. This one's actually a bit better for the bench. So let's see what's inside the box of the box. Hopefully it'll stay in focus. Another box. Well, it's well packed at least. Get these out of the way. And I should be able to talk while I'm unpacking. Okay, just pause this for a little bit. So here it is. Nice spanking new. Let me just check what's in this one. Doesn't apparently come with too many accessories. Interconnection cable, data cable, another interconnection cable, and power supply cable, and the manual. So, what I'm going to do is actually take a look at the manual first before I plug anything in. I know, that's kind of lame. So, this is a Multicorp Pro, basically newer to one of their other names, MP750511 Arbitrary Waveform Generator, 60 megahertz. So on the sheets, and I'm just going to show each of the pages of this, standard waveforms, which are actually across the bottom here, and then you can also have arbitrary waveform. There's some more of the specs. Modulation. This thing has more features than I'll probably ever use. But I figured if I'm going to get a new one, get something that should last for the rest of my hobbying time. And there's the back page. Now, I've only briefly played with this, and right off the bat, I can't figure a few of the things out, but I'll show you the back of it first. You've got your USB to device connector. You've got your LAN here, power, trigger, and counter, plus whatever else that does. Let's put it back there. On the front, you have a sine wave, and this goes for both channels. Square wave, triangle wave, that requires more inputs, which I haven't got a clue on yet. Noise. See? It's noisy. Arbitrary waveform. I don't have any right now that I'm going to use. And then harm, which is hopefully harmonics. Now let's get back to the sine wave. Oh, the reason I got this one was, okay, right now it's set on frequency. You can use this for adjusting, moving around, changing it, or you can actually just enter it. So if I want 7K, enter. So you can do it that way too. And that's one of the features I wanted. The other feature I wanted was the big display. Eyesight's getting worse. Trying to look at tiny little print. Yeah, it just doesn't work anymore. It's got sweep, whatever. As I say, I'll be learning on this. Right off the bat, obviously, I realize that I'm obviously missing something. This says, okay, 7 kilohertz coming on, bang on. Duty cycles 50%. Now, this says amplitude 1 volt peak to peak, and this is saying 2 volts peak to peak. I also then double checked that on my other scope, or oscilloscope, and it says the same as this little thing here. So it's obviously something I need to learn as I go through this. So that's about it. I'll make another video probably in 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 weeks where I can actually have used it a bit and figured out all these different functions. But it should last me, hopefully, till the end, which will be in about 30 years, I hope. Maybe 40. Okay, have a good one. Bye.